Unboxing a 6.25 hole saw for recess lighting. What you get inside the box will be a hole saw made of strong metal, teeth, holes, needs to have assembly. The recess cover to catch the dust, compresses in as you close in the hole. A hole with the bearing. Hardware kit, Allen key, spare drill bit, and locking mechanism. Assembly is easy as placing in the bit housing spring through the hole, tightening down. Once tightened down, you're good to go and make your hole. If you ever need to change your bit, spin off your hole saw. With the Allen key, place in, unscrew, and take out and replace. Place back on the spring. With the covering, simply slide over. And place on your favorite drill. Now that we're all set up and we got everything all ready to go, we're ready to do our hole. So let's go punch a hole. Mess free, you're going to do your hole. As clean as that. That is nice and clean. Everything is inside, easy to be removed by the spring, ready for the next hole. As simple as emptying it into the bag. This keyhole, I hope you enjoy, that you can make your recess lights as easy as 1, 2, 3. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.